Welcome to these diaphragmatic breathing exercises for beginners. Hi, I'm Michelle, and today I'm going to guide you through how to do diaphragmatic breathing exercises using the correct physiotherapy exercise technique for deep breathing. First of all, we'll go through together doing the deep breathing exercise or the diaphragmatic breathing exercise, and then we'll talk about how many exercises you need to do a day to get the best results. So you'll want to start these exercises if you're a beginner either lying down, sitting upright, or standing tall. Now, I'd like you to start by placing your hands, one hand over your chest and the other hand over your upper belly. Now, these hands are going to feel for movement underneath them. When you do a diaphragmatic breathing exercise correctly, the top hand here does not move at all during the in-breath or out-breath. It remains motionless, so your chest remains still. The lower hand will move out and forwards as your belly expands with the in-breath, and then it'll sink back down with the out-breath. So let's try this together. Ideally with these diaphragmatic breathing exercises, try to inhale, breathe in through your nose and then out through your mouth. So let's start slowly and deeply. Breathe in to fill up your lungs, and as you do so, sense your belly rising forward with that in-breath and your waist widening. Great. Now, let the air out just softly and gently through your mouth and feel the belly sink back down. Chest remains relaxed, shoulders remain relaxed. And that is the correct pattern for doing a diaphragmatic breathing exercise. Shall we try again? Let's do it one more time again, just feeling, just to check for movement, hand on the chest, hand on the belly. Slow, deep breath in through the nose, breathing in slowly and deeply, fill up the lungs, feel the belly rise forward and your waist widen. And now let the air just passively fall away from the lungs, breathing out through the mouth and feel the belly sink down. So as you can see, that's quite a slow breath, isn't it? Probably about the count to 3 in breath and the count to 3 out breath, if you can manage that as well. Now, sometimes when you start these exercises as a beginner, you can feel a little bit of shortness of breath. Now, this is actually quite normal, particularly if you're used to using an upper chest pattern of breathing, so breathing with your upper chest, more so than using your diaphragm and your belly. So if this happens to you, just stop the diaphragmatic breathing exercises for a moment, recover your normal breathing, and then recommence when you feel ready to. Now, in terms of how many exercises to do, normally aim to do about 3 to 4 diaphragmatic breathing exercises in a row. And you can actually do that throughout the course of the day. You might choose to do them hourly, or you might choose to do them maybe whenever you feel a little bit of tension. You might have to do them more often if you're someone who's recovering from surgery or general illness. So I think you can see there's a really basic pattern to doing your diaphragmatic breathing exercises, which involves breathing into the belly, deep breathing, and keeping the chest relaxed. So if you'd like a diaphragmatic breathing exercise routine, stay with me now because it's coming up next. And also too, if you found the information today helpful, I'd really be grateful if you could give the video a like below, because then that will encourage YouTube to share this information with other men and women that can benefit from doing diaphragmatic breathing exercises too. Thank you very much for your time, for watching today. Look forward to seeing you in the next video. Goodbye for now.